Here's two gentlemen. These are Denny Williams and Terry Warren. 1 year ago from this month, 1 year ago from today, at the start of 2011, they had done 0 real estate deals. 0. Their prior real estate experience had been they had owned their own home. They had never bought or purchased any or flipped or any type of investment type of real estate. When you roll the clock forward 1 year, here's the difference a year makes. They closed 4 transactions. They raised $6 million to fund these deals with 100% financing. They used none of their own cash. They used none of their own credit. And they will attribute what they did in that 12 months, what I'm going to be sharing with you today, with regard to goal setting versus goal achievement. And I was just talking to them recently, and when they look at, you know, where they are today versus where they were this time last year, it's still kind of incredible to them. But they started on the process that I'm going to be teaching you in this training today. And here's just one of the deals they did. This was they bought a 12-unit property in North Carolina. It pays $42,000 a year cash flow. That's net, net, net in your pocket after paying all the expenses, after paying the investor, after paying the debt service. So special project is paying them $42,000 a year. They use none of their own cash, use none of their own credit, just on that one deal. There's 4 deals that was closed. There's actually a 5th deal they closed in the past week that generated a 6-figure return. They're working a 6th deal with me through Apartment Wealth Factory right now, and they got more deals in their pipeline.